We are doing a install here. This is a house flip for a customer. We just did a complete restoration. This carpet here was black. You couldn't even see it. And we cleaned and restored it, this one, and saved our customer a lot of money. If I had the before and after, you wouldn't even believe it. But that's what we do. We clean and restore all your residential and commercial hard and soft surfaces, saving you money so you don't have to replace it. But we did all the tile, you can see that, all the cleaning. The pergo is dirty because we are doing the install, but we did a lot of all this here was completely black. So, but we couldn't save this carpet because it was extremely bad. So we're doing an installation for a customer of carpet. So we already have that side all tack stripped down, and then so if you need anything done as far as installation of your carpet, restretching, repairs, again, we do all your hard and soft surfaces as far as commercial and residential, and we clean and restore it, saving you the money. First, this one here, we had to replace it, but we still saved the customer thousands because we did 5 other areas of carpet and saved it all except for this one. That's what we do. So give us a call, 610-405-2147, www.navescleaning.com. Thanks.